Everyone knows the pec major. It's number 262 on the regular model. That's the pec major. 262, pec major. You need to take off the pec major, and you can see the pec minor underneath it, and that's 261. Most people, when I label these serratus anterior muscles, they call them pec minor or vice versa. 261 is the pec minor. 542 is the serratus anteriors. They are different muscles. 261 is the pec minor, and 542 is the serratus anterior.
What was the major again?
The major is number 262. All right, the diaphragm is this muscle right in here. Right here. It's your breathing muscle. It depresses and allows you to breathe. The number on the diaphragm, there's a couple different numbers, and I'll tell you why. 252 is the number on the diaphragm right here. You're going to see a 253 right next to it, and you're probably going to wonder why there's another number right next to it. I'll tell you why, because probably we're naming the hiatus where the esophagus passes through the diaphragm. Both those numbers are on the diaphragm. I don't know what the key's saying. But one of those numbers is probably labeling the hiatus, not the diaphragm itself. So the diaphragm is 252, 253-ish. You looking them up for me? 252 and 253? Okay. Both are on the diaphragm, 252 and 2. This muscle right here. All right. Two more muscles on here. Be careful. If you look closely between my ribs here, you'll see two layers of muscles. You'll see an external layer and an internal layer. It's hard to see external and internal, but if you look close, you will. But here's how I remember it. The external intercostals is just like if you go like this. Your fibers run like this. That's your external intercostals. And when they contract, they pull your rib cage up and out. And they help you breathe, external intercostals. So the number for external intercostals is 255. 255. The internal intercostals run the other way, and they're 256. So external intercostals 255, internal intercostals 256. You can see both layers right there. Now on Fred, let me see if I can see pec major, pec minor, serratus, and okay, I can see the pec. I can see pec major. On Kendall's video. This is Fred's breastplate. The pec major is 59 on Fred. You go to the other side and the pec major has been pulled. The pec minor is 60. The serratus anterior muscles I can see right here. They don't have a number on them. I'm going to check over here. Fred's serratus anterior muscles, Kendall get it, is 61 right here. These are Fred's serratus anterior muscles, number 61. And Fred's intercostals, I don't know if you feel lucky or not, but are horrible. They only show the externals and they're not numbered. All right, lastly, the abdomen. We have this erectus abdominis muscle right here. It has 473, it looks like. And then you're going to say, well, why is there a 615 right here? This is the linea alba, and it's not on your list. No, it's not on your list. This linea alba is a connective tissue sheath between your erectus abdominis muscles. In fact, if you have a six-pack, the reason why the 3 muscles or 4 muscles, if you have an 8-pack on this side, are separated from the other side is because of this linea alba. So the main number for rectus abdominis is 473. That's the main number, rectus abdominis. The abdominal aponeuroses is this white stuff in between and the linea alba. So all this white stuff, including the linea alba, is your abdominal aponeuroses. Okay, the external obliques. The external obliques are right here. They're external. They are number 543. 543. it doesn't look like you guys are going to have good external obliques at all. But Fred's, oh yeah, you do. Actually, you guys have some better muscles than we need. Fred's rectus abdominis are 63, and Fred's abdominal aponeuroses is 65. Do you see why you can see the fibers and why you can't? See, 63 is the rectus abdominis muscles, and 65 is the abdominal aponeuroses that covers it. Yeah.
Wait, so you meant to say 68.
Oh, that's an 8. I'm sorry. The 8 looked like a 3 to me. Fred's rectus abdominis is 68. And the Fred's abdominal aponeuroses is 65. Now, I actually want to take this with me. I want to show you guys something.
Nope.
Now, the external obliques, if you put your hand like this, or right there, just like that. That's how the fibers run. And the external obliques on the regular model is 543. The external obliques on Fred is 8.